Mario from Trader Today, and today I'm going to teach you how I shorted NTNX at the open, and I was able to make some bank money within the first 30 minutes of the day, and I called it a day for the rest of the day. So I'm gonna go over this quick trade on NTNX. So let's get started. So as you guys can see in the 6 month chart, daily chart, NTNX broke out after this earnings, at this 38 level, and it just kind of just went parabolic. So it's definitely overextended. There's various indicators you could look at to see how overextended it is. One that I use from time to time is the Bollinger Bands. So you guys could tell that it's over or extended over here in the Bollinger Bands. It's already above the Bollinger Bands, which is a huge indicator that's overextended. Also, if you look at stochastics, another indicator is above 80, so that's another indicator that's overextended. So what that means is that a pullback is due. It's gonna come sooner or later, and that's what I was banking on. I was banking on that there was gonna be a pullback and a red day. Now, unfortunately, in this day, NTNX did pull back, did hold levels of support, but by that time I was already out. I took my profits. I took my 2-to-1 reward to risk, and I called it a day. So let me show you guys what was looking for. So, and this type of trade, this type of reversal trade, the most important thing is to look for some sort of exhaustion move, which will be some sort of gap up, which if you see today on March 13, there was a gap up, compared to yesterday, March 12, and that's very, very important. So let's take a look at the intraday chart. So let's take a look at that. Now this is the 1 minute intraday chart. Again, this was yesterday, which is March 12th. Again, it closed strong. It closed around $52. And in the pre-market, there was a strong gap up, some volume. So that's definitely indicated it might be a pullback. So that's what I was looking for, that gap up. And there was some strong open. It opened strong. But when you saw the price action, you saw a lot of sellers come in, especially when you see these type of wicks. There's definitely, it's almost like a tug of war, but you kind of see the bears taking control, and then the bulls here take control, but it fails to break over this high, 53.67. As you see, price was never able to break that morning high or high day in the morning, and it just started going below the VWAP. So I saw the strong open, and I saw it pull back below VWAP, and then it bounced out of VWAP, and it just couldn't break out. So that was kind of like a fail follow through type of move, and I was looking to bank on that reversal. So when it went below VWAP, I opened my position, my small position, and when I saw it break these lower levels and it created lower lows, I added to my position, and I just literally flushed. Very quick move, and I covered right here at previous day high, which is around 51.63. So previous day high is actually right here, the high of yesterday's trading day, which is around 51.63, and I literally closed it at around 51.64 actually, to be exact. So literally at previous day high, and you guys could see it bounced off from there. But that time I took my 2-to-1, I took my money, and I called it a day. I didn't have to wait for it to go red because I already covered my reward to risk, and I was done. You know what I mean? I was actually thinking about shorting it here and hopefully for the green or red move, but I was already happy. I already made my 2-to-1, and I didn't notice that NTX tends to kind of bounce around and pull back and squeeze short. So I was like, you know what? There's no reason to take more risk. This is the highest probability trade in the morning. I usually tend to trade the first half an hour to 2 hour a day, and I'm done. So if you look at the trade, I opened here and I sold here. So this is literally within 10-minute move. You know what I mean? So the move was literally within 10 minutes. Actually, it might even be less. Let me look at the 5-minute chart. So yeah, actually within 10 minutes. So I did open in this candle and then I did close around this candle. So there was a kind of like a 15-minute move. So that was it, guys. So hopefully you'll learn something from this trade. Again, this is a day trade. You're trading on a reversal. And again, at this point, it's very, very important to learn how to read price action, and also entry is key. Because if you do enter in the wrong position, you may be risking more than you should. Your risk reward may be off. It might be like 1-to-1 or even reverse. You might be risking 2 to make 1. So That's where it becomes very, very important to make sure your risk management is on point. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. This is the end of the video. Hope you guys learned something. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. Welcome you to do that. I have a whole bunch of videos that teach you how to swing trade and day trade. Also, you guys are welcome to subscribe to my Facebook group. Again, free Facebook group on investing and trading for entrepreneurs. And also follow me on Instagram. I do post daily on some of my day trading setups, so you guys are welcome to follow me. Have a good one, guys. Until the next one.